Thomas Railway Stories, Episode 1. Thomas and the Snowstorm. Thomas was traveling down the line one day, and he was mad because there was this snowstorm coming, and he hated that because he had to wear a snow plow. He did not like his snow plow. And he heard the seagulls, and he saw the lighthouse. Thomas chuffed by the old mill, and the mill's roof fell off, and so did some of the bricks. Thomas was scared. He had to go find Sir Topham Hatt on his branch line, and it started moving. But it hit the roof and blocked the line, which was not good. Thomas chuffed to find Sir Topham Hatt. Sir Topham Hatt, Sir Topham Hatt, did you see what happened to the old mill? Yes, I did, said Sir Topham Hatt. Well, good. We need to find Rocky and some bricks and some workmen fast. But before Sir Topham Hatt could say anything, Thomas ran away, and he almost bumped into the big city engine. Oh my, said the big city engine, and he rolled backwards. And he hit into Scruffy and another troublesome truck. Ow, they said. Thomas said he was sorry. Then the crane swung its thing to pick up engines, and it landed right by the breakdown train. Oh my, said Thomas. Thomas chuffed away to go find help. And he saw workmen. Can't go back here. It's too dangerous. Snow's starting to pick up. You need to go back the other way. But I need to get through to Rocky. Rocky's not here. Where is he? Misty Island. Oh my. Well, I guess I'll go. And Thomas did. He jumped back and back. He was trying to find a safe place. And he saw the sheds. Well, good. I found the sheds. And he got a place. And he was okay. Catherine didn't care which way she was. She swirled in a way, and she zoomed in there. And she zoomed off the track, so she went so fast she zoomed off the track. No time to lose, said Gordon. Who cares if we're the different way? And he ran in and shut his door. Spencer the same thing. Thomas and Duke's door flew off. Wah! We just need to get back, said Duke. And Thomas said it was right. I don't think it's a snowstorm, said Thomas. Me either, said Duke. It's more like a tornado. And Sir Topham Hatt was worried. Oh my, this might destroy the railway. It was so windy, and he jumped in the mill and left Lady Hatt sitting at the station. She was at the station. She got out. She ran to the mill. And wind started to pick up, and the thing by the breakdown train flew over and landed right in front of Alfie. Alfie was scared. Alfie ran under the bridge and said, I'll stay here. Jack went in there. Jack went in the Sodor Coal Company. Trevor went in the bakery. And the Sodor Bay Bridge started to creak and crumble and shake. And Terrence had to go in the mountains. Sir Topham Hatt ran out of the mill. Oh no, he said. stuff started flying around. The coal hopper blew in the air and flew on the track. The workman went there and jumped in, and then something else flew. Wah! said Duke and Thomas. And then the top of that hit Boulder, and he rolled right by the bakery. Ah! Yelled Boulder. Then the roof from the mill flew into the air. And the freight cars at the thing flew in the air too. Oh my! And then Tom said, "Oh my, watch out! Stuff flew. Oh my!" And then the stop sign flew up in the air and landed far in the fields. And then the stop sign, then another stop sign flew and hit the bakery. And it started to snow bad. And wind bad. Whoa! And the Arsdale Barrel Company flew over right behind the station. Ah! Everybody yelled. The workmen had to take cover. And then, out of nowhere, they flew. Ah! The big city engine. Find shelter! And he ran into the steamers and was glad to be safe. But Lady, Toby, Smudger, and Rusty were talking. Oh my! They said, "We just need something to cover." And something flew to them. "This might work," said Rusty. "Not for long. We're okay under here." "Yes, we are. We just need to shut those doors. Now we're safe." Snow rumbled down and the wind picked up. The breakdown train flew towards, and then one part of the bakery flew over on Catherine. "Ah!" she yelled. And then the bridge broke. And then this flew. And snow started to go bad. Winds picked up. The crane and steamers flew and landed right by the shed. "Oh no," said Thomas. And then he saw something fly at him. "Ah!" he yelled. And all he saw was black and blur.